This is that wind got it very well. I don't want to really look. I'm gonna put my mask on. Hi, hello. Hello. Oh, I'm on ice. I'm on ice. I didn't even notice. Listen. Oh, God. Oh, God. How far out am I, really? Oh my God, that's deep. Oh, that's deep. Look at that. Hold on. Look at how deep that is. Look. Oh, God. Okay, well. God dang it. I think for this shoe, about to step in that. That's why they say never walk on the edge of a pond whenever it's frozen, because then that happens. Okay, it just happened again. It's weird though, because the holes, they don't have water in them, but until I step on them, they start getting water. Like, see? Like, look, there's no water. No water in that hole. Alright, let's come over here. Alright, this is where I was fishing. I can't see. I can't get one at all. It won't work. There's bound to be ice over here though. Yeah, I'm on water. Maybe. No. Okay. It's okay. Okay. That's why they say don't eat yellow snow. I'm joking. My fingertips are frozen, man. I'm gonna go to the hideout. I got a new SD card, so I don't have to deal with deleting anything else. Burn pile here. Where does this get here? Look at the burn pile. Look at all that. Look at that. Look at that. Daniel, if you're watching this, look. Yeet. How frozen that is. It's just so frozen. I can just walk up it. Oh, snap. This used to be a futon in the house. But now, it broke. So, we decided to burn it. We haven't burned it yet, though. Because it's been so dry. We've been on our burn ban. So it's been so dry. And y'all might be thinking, why can't you just burn it today? Well, we're still under a burn ban, even though it rained yesterday. And it's been snowing. Oh, God dang, bro. Oh, frick. Oh, I made it. I made it. Ah! Oh, I got one on my eyeball. I got a snowflake on my eyeball. On the road again, naturally. Oh, look! I don't know if you saw that. There was like a little snow tornado. I guess from the wind. That's fun. Like, to be honest. What is that? Oh, it's just a hill. Like ant pile or whatever. But, wonder what the ants are up to now. Oh snap, that wind blew me off. Ah, this seems fun. I want to ride my go-kart. Every time it snows, I can't ride the go-kart. So I have to wait for another year again. Or just another day. I'm catching a lot of snowflakes right now. Just to use the go-kart, or whenever it's fixed. Because the tire's been annoying. And we can't get a new tire because no one sells one. I'll just go up, so like these little marks right here, that, and then that right here. That wind's gusting, I don't know if you hear it, but this is go-kart marks. I'm gonna try sliding down it. Probably not too bad, but yeah, I think if I keep sliding down it the most, it'll get like solid and packed down to where it'll actually work. There's a deer over there. Oh, there's a piece of stick. There's a stick poking me. Oh, God. Oh, that hurts so bad. Oh, God. Oh, what happened? I just like blacked out. Was it like because it's cold or whatever? I don't know. Oh, this is annoying.